Okay, assembly 4. We first need to say new assembly, place, and we need 4 blocks this time. And we need 1 cube with a hole. And we need 1 triangular prism. And we need a cylinder. And we need a half cylinder. Okay, here's my first one, so I'll build around that one. And I need 2 cubes behind it. I need 1 cube here. And this is going on top of that one. This one will go in front. This one will be over here and over here. Okay, I'm going to mate these two. And flush them twice, the sides and the tops. And change it to mate. Mate these two. Change it to flush. Flush the top. Flush the sides. And I need this one on top of this one. So I'll change it to mate. And then flush. And flush again. And this one actually needs to be in front. Change it to mate. And then change to flush. And flush the bottoms. And the triangle on here, change it to mate. And then change it to flush. Flush the bottom. Okay, and we need, let's see, this mated, the backside mated, and we're talking about 2 flat surfaces, so I leave it on this command, not on the tangent. So I'm mating this with the flat half circle or half cylinder, and I'm going to flush the 2 flat bottoms, flush, and this one with this one. And the only thing I have left to do to that is make it even with the front here. So now I'm talking about the round part of that half cylinder. So I have to change the command and choose this flat face with the round edge, and it jumped to the outside. I don't want it there, I want it on the inside, and then apply, and that's locked in place. Now I'm going to fix this one. I want to mate the flat face of that cylinder with the flat face of that cube. So I'm going to change my command and mate this face with this face. Make sure you're choosing the circle. Okay, and now I need to mate the round portion of this circle to this face. So I changed the command to tangent, choose the round edge, or the round surface rather, with the flat edge. It jumped inside. I want it outside, so I'm going to change that command and apply, and now I just need to flush it to the bottom. Okay, the round surface with the flat bottom, it jumped to the outside again. I want it on the inside, and apply. And let's close this and make sure everything is in place. Nothing moving. And everything's good. This does spin, and we'll talk about that later as you learn more commands. Oh, you know what? I put this in the wrong way. Well, this is a good opportunity to show you how to fix things. This is supposed to be standing upright. So I have the cylinder clicked on just one time, and here are the commands then for the cylinder. I'm just going to right click and say delete. And now I can do anything I want with that again. It has no commands attached to it. And I need to flush the top with the top here to make it upright. And now I change the command. I want the round surface mated with this and apply, and I also need it mated with the side cube and apply. And now it's right. Okay, make sure you save assembly number 4.